So TJ, we know we get ready to weld. We're gonna need a welder. We're gonna need a wire. We're gonna need a few other items that are necessary to go ahead and prepare and complete that weld. What are some of the added equipment that's gonna be necessary to do so?
If you're putting a panel on a vehicle, something to hold that panel in place is obviously going to be necessary. Now, when the technician looks at the procedures, they'll probably tell you to remove, trim, and other things that could get damaged during the repair process. If you're doing a squeeze type resistant spot weld, like a weld bond on a quarter panel, sometimes stray voltage could go and damage things that are outside that repair area. So having something like either tech screws or clecos close to the weld area will allow the voltage from the front panel to go to the back panel. But then you're drilling holes, and then you got to do something with those holes. So a less invasive option would be like a shunt clamp, which is just locking pliers, copper pads with a wire connecting them, which allows that voltage to come from the front panel to the back panel when making that first squeeze type resistant spot weld, because once that first weld's made, then you got a good path for electricity to make your consecutive welds. But that first one, a pair of shunt clamps will kind of guarantee that the voltage stays localized, doesn't cause any unnecessary damage.
Terrific. So what I got out of that is definitely check the automaker repair specs and get your equipment ready so that you can perform that weld in a good, safe manner.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you, TJ. Appreciate the tip.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.